I will introduce the voices of our customers who have been using ShuHaRi. This is a case study of how Mr. Satoru Ida, the factory manager at IdaTextile, utilized our services. The problem with this factory was that only one maintenance worker was in charge of inspecting and managing the sewing machines, and they were not able to store the data from the inspections. How will the management of the sewing machines change when actually using the ShuHaRi method?
日常点検をすることで普段行わなかった必要な点検は分かり、予防保全の重要性を理解できました。
The ShuHaRi method provides appropriate inspection procedures to enable smooth inspections. Furthermore, by continuing with inspections, we are able to collect data.
保全担当の人が一人でやっていた管理をShuHaRiを通して他の人に共有していきたいと思います。
If the necessary inspections are clarified, it can prevent variation in the inspection content among individuals. As a result, it is possible to reduce the time required for method sharing. As a further utilization method, would like to introduce the maintenance record function. With ShuHaRi, after inspecting with a smartphone, various data is saved, and it can be viewed from the maintenance record. You can immediately check various information such as inspection time, any problems that occurred, as well as when and which parts were damaged and replaced. In other words, if the maintenance worker inputs any problems they discovered into their smartphone, all relevant personnel in the factory can instantly understand the same issue. Please utilize for management. Tasks other than inspections can be easily recorded with the work report function. For example, if a part suddenly breaks and needs to be replaced, you can enter what kind of work was done or notes for the operator in text, or take photos from the app and keep them as images, like this. You can add up to 5 task contents at once, and use it easily like a memo. This is a feature that can be easily used with sewing machines other than JUKI, so please make sure to take advantage of it. ShuHaRi is free. Why not start digital management at your factory too? Thank you for watching until the end. We appreciate your continued support of JUKI-ShuHaRi.